How to fix YouTube freezing on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix YouTube freezing on Android phone. First, open settings and then scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again. Now just you need to find YouTube here and go to storage. Now clear data and click OK, and then go to permissions, enable this one, storage, enable it. And if that doesn't fix your problem, go back and go to storage and then click clean up. Now you need to clean this one here, junk files or cache. Just clean your phone cache and your problem must be fixed. Wait for it and then click clean up, and that's it. Now just go back and try again, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.